Greeks were a part of the world BC. The year 2000 starts their history. The Minoans lived well on the island of Crete. The palace at Knossos was the government seat. The palace was huge with a labyrinth of halls. There were frescoes of dolphins on the plaster walls. Long about the year 1500, the palace was destroyed by a northern foe. The people of Messina came and conquered Crete, but they loved what they saw and decided to cheat. They copied many things the Minoans had done, then they fought against Troy, and by a trick they won. The Dark Ages came in 1100. We call them dark cause there's much we don't know. They wrote no stories and forgot how to paint, so the record they left is very faint. They painted their pots in geometric styles. The buildings were of wood on the mainland and the Isles. In about 800 came the archaic times. Aesop wrote his fables and Homer wrote his rhymes. Homer's story of Troy is famous, you'll agree. It's in the Iliad and the Odyssey. They built temples out of stone and held Olympic games. Pythagoras and Thespis were notable names. In the late 400s, the Persians came, but at Marathon they were put to shame. Then came peace and the Golden Age. The Parthenon was built and the Epidaure stage. Socrates was wise and told them all he knew. Plato waxed eloquent and Aristotle too. In the early 400s, the Greeks fought each other. Sparta won the war, then the Golden Age was over. Then along came Philip and his son Alexander. They took over Greece and decided to expand her. The Greeks conquered most of the world they knew. Archimedes and Euclid helped out too. From 300 on was the Hellenistic age, with Venus de Milo and Nike Samothrace. Then the Romans conquered Greece in about 150. They loved Greek culture and they thought it was nifty. They renamed the gods and borrowed architecture. Then Rome ruled the world with